Hi, I'm Stefan, Application Technician, LIQUI MOLY USA. Today we're going to talk about additives and how they can help your car perform better and last longer. You all know that as soon as you start driving your car, you start wearing it down. So the engine will slowly over time lose power because things wear inside of it. You get dirt buildup, what have you. One way to counteract that is to use our additive Ceratec. Ceratec added to the oil will bond to the friction metals inside the engine, smooth out their surfaces, and create less friction. This means less wear, it means more power, it means a quieter running engine. All you got to do is add Ceratec to your next oil change, and then after 100 to 200 miles driving, this will have bonded to all the metals inside and you get the full effect. What that means is, in the end, more power, quieter engine, and a longer lasting engine. For an even better effect, use Ceratec with one of our approved oils, and before you change the oil, you use our engine flush. The engine flush will help clean out the engine, which makes it easier for Ceratec to bond to all the metals inside. All right, in the end, what this means for you is you're going to spend less money on your car, less upkeep, less repairs. Better fuel economy, quieter engine, less oil consumption. Okay? Very simple, easy to do, anybody can do it. Turn in next time for more info from LIQUI MOLY.